Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and this is going to be a quick video on PV, that stands for present value. Now the situation is such that let's say you are having the capacity to pay the EMI of 4,500 only, that's and you are about to get a personal loan, let's say, and you are planning to take this personal loan for 7 years. Payment mode is going to be 12. This means it's equated monthly installment. This means you are going to make a payment on a monthly basis, and rate of interest is 12.75%, which you are well aware of. So you want to check that how much loan you can avail, keeping in mind all these aspects. Um, so for this you can apply a PV function. So here I'm going to apply PV. Now in PV the first parameter is a rate. This means rate of interest. Now we are going to calculate this on a monthly basis. So for this you will have to take this rate of interest and have to divide this by payment mode, that is monthly. Then comes the next parameter, which is N per. N per means that how many payments you are going to make. So in order to calculate this, that is the year of loan and multiplied by payment mode. So this much of payment you are going to make on a monthly basis. So that is what N per is, comma, and then the PMT, that is the per month basis payment which you are willing to do. So for this I am selecting this EMI amount, which is 4,500. Now this will give you answer in negative, so just put a sign, subtraction sign in front of, that is PMT. Now close the bracket and enter. So you can see here, so this much of amount, that is 2,49,220 loan amount you can take. Now if I am going to change the value over here, let's say I am willing to pay 7,800 on a monthly basis, you can see you may get a loan up to 4,31,981 and so on. So this is what the present value function is meant for. Now another question many students ask, that why isn't the case that, let's say, equal to, I am selecting this monthly payment multiplied by year of loan multiplied by payment mode. So if I'm going to do this, I'm going to get a value which is not the loan amount value. This is the value which you are going to pay in total, and it comprises of the interest amount as well. So that's the reason this PV, this means present value function, is very useful. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.